Get ready. Start. To make an impression on the surface of the stencil using a typewriter, the ribbon is first put out of action by using the ribbon shift lever. Full stop. This has either 3 or 4 positions, enabling the typist to use the top or bottom of the ribbon, or the middle, or when typing a stencil, to put the ribbon out of action completely. Full stop. This last position is usually shown by a small white circle. Full stop. Para. Each stencil is supplied with a sheet of carbon paper inserted between the stencil surface and the backing sheet, with the coated side towards the typist, thus enabling her to see what she has typed. Full stop. Otherwise, with the ribbon out of action, this would be difficult against the white background of the waxed stencil surface. Full stop. The type should be clean so that the impression is made as sharp as possible. Full stop. If the ribbon were not put out of action, it would deaden the blow of the type bar and it would not cut the stencil surface. Full stop. During typing, wax collects on the typeface, so the machine should always be cleaned after a stencil has been typed. Full stop. A sharp, even touch should be used, but certain keys require extra pressure, example M, W, capital letters and fractions, while other keys, having a small area, comma, require a slightly lighter touch, comma, example, full stops and commas, full stop. Extra care should also be taken with the underscore and as this will split your stencil in two if a continuous line is typed, comma, it is better to use a stylus pen for drawing lines on a stencil. Full stop. Para. Even the best of typists make mistakes, and when this happens, the incorrect letter or word must be blotted out on the wax surface and the correct version then retyped on the smooth surface. Full stop. To prevent the stencil itself sticking to the carbon or backing sheet, comma, a ruler is inserted just above or below the mistake and behind the stencil surface. Full stop. The error is then painted over with correcting fluid and when it has dried, comma, the ruler is gently removed and the correct letter or word inserted on the painted area. Full stop. The stencil has marking on it to represent the different sizes of paper in which the stencil may be run off, and before beginning to type, comma, a decision must usually be made so that the typist can then pick out the line which marks the edge of the paper to be used. Full stop. The framework represents the actual sheet of paper, comma, so it is unwise to type up to the edge at each side, semicolon. Adequate margins should be left. Full stop. Stop.